"Laurent," she said, "he contacted me out of the blue last week after all this time. And I think I made a mistake. I ended our friendship years ago, and I still miss him terribly. I know I do, but the problem is, I don't know if I want to start over with him. It feels so uncertain. I mean, how could I be sure it wouldn't happen again? That I wouldn't end up resenting him again? That I wouldn't hurt as much as I did before? I think I might be better off leaving the past in the past. Why do you think you ended your friendship with Laurent all those years ago?" Dr. Robin asked. "You said you missed him terribly." "Surely that wasn't the case." "It wasn't," Sarah admitted. "I was jealous. He had a girlfriend, and I wanted him. And when he told me he loved me, I felt terrible. I knew he was right, that he didn't love me like I wanted him to, like I needed him to. So I pushed him away. I thought that would make things easier. But they weren't easy at all. It was the worst time of my life. And then one day he just disappeared. He left town. And I kept thinking he was coming back. He was coming back. Then I stopped thinking he was coming back. And then last week he showed up again." Sarah paused, searching for the right words. "The only difference is now I am married and I have a child. And I know that if anything were to happen between Laurent and me, it would destroy my marriage, destroy my family. The thought of that terrifies me. I don't want to jeopardize what I have now, but I also ache for Laurent. It hurts so much to see him again, to remember all the feelings I thought I'd buried so deep inside me. And I don't know what to do." Sarah dropped her gaze, unable to meet the therapist's gaze. "I came to you because I wanted to find a way to move forward, but I don't even know if that's possible. I don't know if I can live like this anymore, knowing he's here, hoping he'll come back, hoping we'll get another chance, hoping that maybe, just maybe, if we give it enough time, we'll find our way back to each other." She closed her eyes, picturing the two of them together. Only then did she realize how badly she missed him.